Quick reading for Earth signs December the 9th to December the 10th. Eto na naman po tayo, it's either mixed signals or indirect yung mga message, no? Hindi ito pwede rin pagpaparinig kung, parang ito yung pag nag-away, nagpaparinig. Pero this is something to do with expressions of love, no? Pwedeng paghingi ng tawad, pwedeng ito'y pag-amin ng feelings, whether ito'y pinost, no? Kung saan binandal, kung saan pinasabi na gusto kita, pinasabi na meron akong nararamdaman sa'yo, pinasabi na ako'y sorry, no? Hindi ito makapagsabi ng direkta, pero I think that this person's going to expose something. Expose their emotion, expose some information that probably your heart is going to jump for joy. Kasi with the Seven of Wands, I think that this person's also trying to be strategic, no? Baka kasi meron itong plan na magpapakita lang ito ng mga hints, no? Baka may surprise ito para sa'yo, whether this is this Pasko or bago magpasko. Pero you're going to receive a hint na this person would love to approach you. This is your quick reading Earth signs for December the 9th to December the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose.